guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. My name is Kirsty if you are new here, and today we are going to be doing a super quick, super simple recipe, okay? I am going to show you how easy it is to make your own brownie mix to have on the shelf and just whip up really fast when you need it, okay? Okay, so first things first. There are only 5 ingredients to this, okay? So we have 4 cups of white sugar that we're gonna add to our bowl. We have 2 cups of cocoa powder. We have 2 cups of flour. We have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. That's it. Hey Colt, would you like to mix it up for me?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you like to mix it up? Okay, you guys, so this is such a great thing to have on the shelf because, you know, any last minute desserts that you might need, or if you want to whip up quick brownies for the week to put into lunches, it's so good to have on the shelf. And you can add stuff to it too. I don't add it. I like to keep mine as simple as possible on the shelf, less things to go bad. Like, let's say if you were to add nuts, the nuts could go rancid before you end up using it all. So I like to keep it as simple as possible and then add the other ingredients when I make the brownies. So you can add, when you make up your brownies, you can sprinkle chocolate chips or white chocolate chips or pecans, walnuts, anything that you like in there. All right, let's get that jar filled, okay? Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get our jar filled now. It's all mixed up, and we are going to get our jar filled. I'm just gonna hold it over the bowl. It'll be much easier. Okay, so if it's really close to the top, you can just tap it down easily or it'll puff out all over the place. Now, here's how simple it is. Okay, you guys, you're gonna write on the top of your container, 2 cups of mix. I'm using a wet erase marker, but you can use a Sharpie. It comes off the lids just as easily. 1/2 cup of oil. And 2 eggs. And that's it. Our brownie mix is done, you guys. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. And let me know if you make a mix and what variations you like to add to it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye!
Hey guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. I'm Hunter, and today we are making Reeses brownies with our mom's brownie mix that she made. So let's get started. First, we are going to take and we are going to pour 4 cups of our brownie mix. Okay. Now we have 4 cups of brownie mix. Now let's pour it into here. Now we're going to add our eggs. We need to add 4 eggs. Okay, now we are going to add a cup of oil. We got the counter cleaned up. I also forgot to mention in the beginning, preheat your oven to 350 degrees before you start. And now we are going to mix up our eggs and brownie mix. Okay, so now that we have mixed up our brownie mix, we are going to pour it into our pan. This amount is for a 9x13 pan. You can make it less if you want by cutting the ingredients. So we are going to pour this into the pan. Okay, now spread it out. Okay, so we are using tinfoil on the pan so that the brownies don't stick when we cut them and take them out of the pan. It makes nicer slices in the end so that they aren't all stuck to the pan. Now we are going to take these and sprinkle them over the top. I found a pack of these in our baking. I found a pack of Reeses cups and Reeses pieces in our grocery outlet baking aisle. I've never seen this before, or I've never seen like a mixed pack before. And you can use any type of candy for the top, or you can just have brownies. You can use M&Ms and Kit Kats. You can use candy canes for Christmas. Our mom has done that before. It's really good. Okay, we are going to put it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, so we just pulled them out of the oven and now we're going to let them cool. But first, I want to say, comment Reese's Pieces for the comment of the day, and we will heart all the comments with Reese's Pieces. So I hope you all had a great day, and please like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with all your friends and family, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!